Namaste, welcome to Sis Rekha's kitchen. Today I am making roasted eggplant raitha. It is so delicious that you can eat with rice or quinoa. I picked up a beautiful eggplant from my garden. People call it with different names like eggplant, brinjal, vankaya. I applied oil all over the eggplant. Oil helps to peel out the skin easily after roasting. I kept the flame on low and keep turning the eggplant on all sides for a uniform roasting. After roasting the eggplant, keep it aside to cool down. Take 1 to 1.5 cups of yogurt in a bowl. Now to the yogurt, add some salt, finely chopped cilantro and some curry leaves. Mix it well and whisk it for a minute with the ladle to get a creamy consistency. Also add 1 or 2 finely chopped green chilies. When the eggplant is cooled down, remove the skin carefully. After removing the skin, take a fork and crush the eggplant like I am showing here. Just mash it everything again with the fork. Now add it to the prepared yogurt and mix it well. Let us prepare the tempering. Take 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and heat it on medium heat. And when the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, just a few fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of crushed peppers, a pinch of hing and a few curry leaves. Lastly, add a pinch of turmeric powder and switch off the flame. Now add this tempering to the prepared raita and mix it well. It is so delicious that you can eat with rice, chapati, quinoa or millets. I hope you like this recipe. Please do try and let me know how it came out. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to like my Facebook page. Please do visit my Telugu channel for more interesting videos.